Alright, so first off, my Gummy class, which is an abstract class, so it doesn't have to have any constructors or anything. It has the universal member functions and variables that the player Gummy and enemy Gummy classes have. So it has the getters, the setters, some stuff for printing them to see out, and the implementation, its own CPP file. Then enemy Gummy, not too different from Gummy, except obviously, that's the not too different, but it has physical and magical damages and resistances. However, for also enemy Gummy implementation, player Gummy, there's the equipment, which is your armors and weapons, and only the players can equip it. Obviously, it has getters and setters, the same print functions. It has type and experience, the equipment, and also strength, intelligence, constitution, and agility, which will increase specific stats. And then the implementation of those functions. Also, enemy Gummy and player Gummy get themselves and their stats from files. Well, player Gummy gets all their stuff from files. Enemy Gummy randomly gets what they get and don't throw a fit. They have the ability to train, ability to level up, getters and setters, the print functions. Action. Right, action gives them the ability to take damage, defend, prints out an action menu for players to do stuff. Getters and setters. It calculates the physical damage and magical damage a player or enemy's attacks will do depending on their stats, crit chance and crit damage, whether or not they're defending. Then main. Starting out with the main itself, you have a menu where they just say switch case loop or statement for the character to choose what they want to do. So either load up a new game, load up a save, or exit. They load up a new game, it takes stuff automatically from the default file. Otherwise, it loads a save file which will be saved in here, the name of it. This is the function that lets you play the game, gives you options to fight, train, or just save and exit. This is the actual fighting function. It lets you use actions and everything. This just calculates which of your gummies goes first, which one has the highest speed. This is the one that lets you choose which save file you want to load up. And then this last function, that's the last function. This last function actually saves your gummies to the save file. And I believe that is it, pretty much. Oh, right, I need to show implementation. Is that showing up on the recording? No, it is not. Let me just... Okay. Does this show it? Okay, this shows it. Alright. So load it up. If there were save files, you could put in one and choose which save file you want, but there aren't right now, so let's just new game. Let's train them, you know. They randomly get either intelligence, strength, or con. They read a book, fall down the stairs, eat a ghost pepper, exercise a little. You try training them again, you know. Don't overwork your gummies, you know. Then you can fight. And you can either choose to attack. The enemy sprites do look a little funky. They're supposed to look more like this, but you know, what game would want enemies to look cute, you know? Most games, they're supposed to be evil. You don't want to murder a puppy. You want to murder a horrifying Lovecraftian monster beyond comprehension, you know? And whichever one goes first is your Gummy with the highest speed. You can choose to attack, and you can choose which one to attack, like this little gravitational field up here, so the top one, and it takes, and that enemy takes damage calculating depending on its resistances and your attacking Gummy's damage. And I don't want to go through a whole fight, so let's just exit this out. But yeah, and to save the game, like, let's train them and then save the game. And let's call the save file my save file. Save successful, and then if we want to load it, we can load my save file. And furthermore, let me just ignore this. The save file, I can't actually open in this, but it saves the whatchamacallit. It saves your Gummy stats and everything. And actually, let's check it real quick. Debugging as we go. Alright. I forgot to add this little line of code. But now, it should work. New game, train, save and exit. Just call it my save. And then I should be able to access that. I mean, obviously, people playing the game wouldn't be able to access it, but, what do I call it again? My save. Yes. Notepad. When have I ever used anything except for Notepad? And you see each, these show the 4 stats. Each of them got increased once, because if you see the default, all 4 of them are 0 for each of them, because they start out with 0. So it saves the new date of the thing, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Have a nice day.